Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you legit mining site. You can mine cryptocurrency without any investment. Okay, but before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to sub to my channel and then like this video, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. So guys, this is a very huge mining airdrop. This mining is very huge, okay, and OKX is the main sponsor of this coin. This is great coin mining app. You are going to download the app from Play Store, and then you're going to use my invitation code there. Once you download it, you will be asked to put in your invitation code. I'll be dropping the invitation code on the link below. Check on the description box below. You will see the link to get to this code, and once you download it, put in that link and then you start mining. Guys, this great coin is a very huge airdrop. This is very huge airdrop, okay? So just grab this opportunity now and mine this airdrop. And they have a Telegram channel where you can interact with them on when to launch this airdrop, okay? So guys, without wasting much time, do well to go to Play Store now, download great coin. You just need to download great coin. Type great coin on your Play Store and then it will appear. All you got to do is just to download it. Once you download, register with your name and then you are good to go. Once you register with your name, you are good to go. Log in with your name and then you start mining. You can mine one great coin a day, and each month it keep diminishing, it decreases every month. So this is a great opportunity now to mine great coin, okay? They said that OKX is the main sponsor, as you can see on the screen here, where they say that OKX is the main sponsor of this. So I'm not just fabricating a story about this airdrop. This airdrop is being sponsored by OKX, okay? So this is a very great opportunity, and one of these coin costs $100. If you can happen to mine one of these coins, as you can see here on my screen, is that OKX Exchange is the main sponsor for this airdrop. As you can see here, that on my screen here, I've been able to mine 1.036 and it's worth $103. So guys, without wasting much time, do well to start mining great coin as much as you can. And after you registered, you're going to see spin daily. We have daily spin on this app. We have daily spin. You can spin up 10 times a day, and then you win a token by spinning, okay? You win token by spinning. Let me show you here. We have a pick wheel. Under this, you can spin here, and then anything that comes out will be added to your wallet, okay? And then you can see here that we have wallet. This wallet is not yet active for withdrawal. Once it's going to launch, you're going to activate here, and you go to Play Store, copy your smart chain, and then you put it for withdrawal, okay? Yeah, you put it for withdrawal. So guys, OKX is the main sponsor for this airdrop. OKX is the main sponsor. All you got to do is just to sign up for this. Once you sign up, you log in with your name, and then you use the referral code, which I'm going to drop there on that on the description box. Like I said, use the description code there, and then put in the description the invitation code there, and you are good to go. And then you start mining. Like I said, once you're done, you'll be giving 0.2, okay? You'll be giving 0.20 GC great coin, okay? For our start, you'll be giving 0.20 GC of this coin. And then once you're done there, you go to spinning. You can spin every day you spin. Once you spin, like they said that by next year this spinning will no longer be available. I think it's earlier this year, forgotten the month, so on. They said that this spinning will no longer be available. So guys, you have this spin. With this spin, you can be able to accumulate more of great coin before the launch date, okay? This is a blockchain where you can mine cryptocurrency before this launch, and this coin, one of this coin costs $100. Now I'm going to give you a breakdown of this great coin. I'm going to give you a breakdown for this. They said that over time the amount of mining will decrease. In October, you can only mine 1 GC per month, okay? Now this is we are in March, okay? This is April, so to say. This is a breakdown. They said in 15th from March the coin will reduce to 0.2, and which have already reduced to 0.2. Okay, so the people that mined earlier, I think they were mining a huge coin then. So now it has reduced to 0.2. And they said by May you can only mine 0.15, and by June it keep decreasing. You'll be mining 0.10, and July 0.05, August 0.03, September 0.01, 0.02, in October 0.01. So this coin will keep on decreasing. This coin will keep on decreasing daily, and it will be hard to mine one great coin. It may even take you a whole year to get one great coin. Okay, so guys, this is not just a May exchange. This is not just a May app that you can just mine, and then at the end of the day they play with you. Okay, once you mine this coin, like I said, that OKX Exchange is the main sponsor of the great coin. Once you go through the app, you will see it. You can carry out your own research about this great coin, this great airdrop. You see that the OKX Exchange is the main sponsor for this airdrop, and they said if you are not mining this coin, that you are really missing out, because to get one of this coin, it will take you a whole year to mine. So just use this year to accumulate this coin. Okay, use this year to accumulate this coin. You can see that they have a Twitter handle here, they have a Telegram group where you can join and ask questions about this coin. You can join and ask questions about this token. Okay, you can join in and interact with them on when to launch this token. You can ask questions about it. Okay, now you can also share your referral link, because once you share your referral link, your referral and you will be sharing 0.2 GC of this token. Your referral and you will be sharing 0.2 and GC. Once you refer a friend, you'll be giving 0.20, and your friend will be giving 0.20, which worth about $8. Okay, it worth about $8. So guys, this is a great opportunity now for you and I to grab this opportunity now, and then we'll accumulate this token as much as we can before the launch date. Just like when core came out, so many people who mine up to 5,000 core, they really made it. Okay, core is not just a scam token way as people said. Okay, so guys, join this opportunity. Remember that OKX Exchange is the main sponsor for this airdrop. OKX is the main sponsor for great coin. You can carry out your own research about it. You will see that OKX is the sponsor of this coin, and this coin keep decreasing every month. It keep decreasing. Now we can in this month you can mine 0.20 great coin. Next month you won't be able to mine 0.20 great coin again. It will be reduced to 0.15. Okay, it keep decreasing like that every month. You won't be able to mine one great coin, as it will mine one great coin will be very hard to mine. Okay, so guys, what I said is that I'll be dropping the description link on. I'll be dropping the code, the invitation code on the description box. Just click on the code and go to Play Store. Type great coin. You can see on this my screen here. This is how it looks like. Okay. So just when you go there, you just need to click on the right one. Okay. This is how it looks like. This is the symbol for this great coin. Okay, make sure you click on that. Click on great coin. Type great coin. Once you type it, you click to download it on Play Store. Once you download it, will ask for your name. Just fill in your name, and then it will ask for your referral code. Use the referral code I'll be dropping in the description box below, and accumulate this coin as much as you can. Okay, because great coin will not be easy to earn once it is launched. Okay, once it is launched, you will not be able to mine this coin again. It will be hard to mine. Okay, so guys, just grab this opportunity as much as you can now. Do this great mine this token as much as you can now. Join their Telegram group, join their Twitter handle to get updates about this airdrop and for the launch time of this airdrop. For now, this coin has not been launched yet, but you can accumulate as much as you can now before the launch date. Okay guys, this is a very huge airdrop. This is a great airdrop. Okay, remember that this token is sponsored by OKX Exchange. Okay, this airdrop is sponsored by OKX Exchange, and they said that if you fail to mine this, you're really missing an opportunity. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Like I said, once you sign up daily, you can spin 10 times a day, and you'll be given token per each spin. You can spin 10 times a day. okay? And you need to be active to get this token. You need to be active to mine this token. And once you're done mining, you just need to close your app and then come back the next day, and then gradually you keep on mining like that, keep on mining, and you accumulate more of this coin before the launch date. So guys, like I said, for you to be able to accumulate more, do well to share referral link. But referral is just optional. This is not mandatory, okay? For those of you that find it difficult to refer, this is not a mandatory some stuff. Just like if you refer, you'll be able to accumulate more coin than mining just for yourself, okay? Now, how to get your referral? You just need to copy this code and send for your friend. Ask the person to download Great Coin on Play Store, and once it's successfully downloaded, you share your referral link to that person. Remember, there is an earth. It shows earth before you can mine. Okay, it shows earth. You just need to wait for the earth to finish, for the advert to finish, and then you claim your coin successfully. Okay. You wait for the app to finish to the app to finish, and then you claim your coin. And per each spinning, you are going to see an advert, so you just leave the advert and then you claim you spin your wheel, and anything you spin, it will be added to your balance. Okay, now I'm going to stop here today. If you have any question regarding this topic, if you have any question regarding this airdrop, go to the comment section and drop your question. Okay, drop your question, guys. Stay tuned on my channel, follow me on my channel, join my Telegram group so that you can interact if you have any question, or on if you have any difficulty on how to download this, on how to go about this airdrop, you can go to my comment section there and drop your question. I'll do well to answer. And then do well to join my Telegram group. Join my Telegram group for more interaction, for updates. Okay, do join my Telegram group for updates. And also, I'll be dropping the Telegram group of this token, or you will see on your once you download it, you will see the Telegram. Click to join their Telegram group, click to join their Twitter handle, so that you can get update as well directly from them. Okay, you can get update as well directly from them. If you want to be getting update from me, please do well to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Share this video as much as you can. Share this video with your friends, and share it on Facebook, on Twitter. Share as much as you can so that you can accumulate more of Great Coin before the launch date. So guys, I am going to stop here today. I'll come back again with another interesting video. Like I said, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. Okay, do well to give this video a thumbs up, turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. See you guys in my next video, and bye bye.